Boom. So today we want to show you how to get non-stop free leads and sales to your business. TikTok ads strategy. Nate has put it together. So he's the mastermind behind all this. And we want to show you exactly how we do it. And especially you are here because if you hate wasting money, you are throwing thousands at different agencies and you try different ads, but without seeing returns. It feels like your money is disappearing into a black hole. Because me and Nate, we work with a couple agencies before. They are good agencies. Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and now we found a winning formula, which is using TikTok ads. And that's what we're going to show you on this live training. And if you hate lacking of control, you are throwing money at agencies and ads without seeing any returns, the worst case scenario is that you have no access to the real strategy. So you have to rely on other people to do your ads for you. Number 3 is that if you hate losing time and opportunities, months go by, but your business just don't grow, and you see other competitors taking your customers away. How can you find a turning point? This training will be that information that you are looking for. And here are just some quick case study. So the case study number 1 was from one ad campaign Nate set up running to our own program.
Yeah, so guys, this was a few weeks back. We ran an ad there. Was it July 30th? So July 30th, June 30th, we started running this one ad. I think we ran it for only like 4 days or something like that. But we ran it to a webinar, and then when somebody purchased on that webinar, as you can see, we made $1,000. That's 10x ROIAs we are able to bring in just from a simple little TikTok ad. $77 ad spend to make $1,000. I'm sorry, I'll spend that all day long.
Can you imagine if this happened to your business, regardless what offer you are selling now? Some of you guys, maybe you have your own offline business, but you want to use social media to bring consistent leads into your business. Then this is for you. You see how low our cost per lead, $1.49 from this one. And this one, second case study, is the one we are actually running now. Nate set it up yesterday, so it's only about 24 hours. And this ad,
not even 24 hours.
Not even
up at last night at like 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah, that's crazy. So this one, you can see now $1.22 per lead. We got 18 leads. But pay attention to this. From this ad, we spent $22 so far within 24 hours. You don't need to have a huge budget to do this if you know how to do it properly. But from this, we are running, we already made $31.80. So not only this ads already turned into profits, but we are also getting 18 leads that joining our email list that we can promote other offers to this lead.
This is to a totally different offer that we're promoting, guys. This isn't even to our main pop program. This is to another offer so we can offset our ads cost itself. And this offer does a lot of the work for us on the back end. So that's why it's so powerful having a offer that will convert for you guys.
Are you all getting this? I mean, this is powerful. Imagine what if you can do this for your business. Somebody pay for your ads cost, and you're getting free leads into your business to offer your products and service. So this is exactly the structure. Simple structure. We like simple, okay? Simplicity makes money. So this is what Nate was talking about. We set up a proper TikTok ads. You got to know how to set it up and what to say, how to say it. Then you set up a proper TikTok ad, run it to a done for you low ticket offer. Usually it's a low ticket offer, easy for people to get into the door. Then that done for you offer will convert by itself. But in the meantime, everybody who goes through that low ticket offer will be joining your email list as well. So this done for you low ticket offer is actually help you offset your ads cost. Just like our example, $22 in, $31 out. In the meantime, we're getting 18 leads joining our email list. So once we use this low ticket offer to offset the ads cost, then we bring those leads to our main offer. In our case, it's our pop offer, $1,000 per sale. You can run this to your own offer or other products that you are promoting and make money from that. But in the meantime, you are growing your email list for free. Does that make sense? Is that correct, Nate? Is that how we do it?
Pretty much.
Yeah. So If you want to learn how to do this at a high level, make sure you do this the first time. From our point of view, because we are pretty good at doing organic marketing, because we made millions dollars from doing organic marketing. But there is a faster way, especially if you have a small budget to run ads and if you know how to do it properly. So if you want to learn this, imagine what if you can have non-stop leads for free, just like what we are doing. If you want to learn this, we have this opportunity for you guys. Nate and myself, mainly Nate, will be teaching you how to set up everything, including what to say, how to say it, how to set up your system from A to Z to make sure you can launch your first profitable TikTok ads. If you want to do this, we have our TikTok ads masterclass coming up on September 7th.
So guys, what you're going to get with this TikTok masterclass, step by step, we'll walk you through setting up your ads manager account, launching your first TikTok ad in under 2 hours, even if you've never run ads before or you're already seeing results and you don't know how to scale. We're also going to give you guys our proven scripts and content, which is pretty much going to give you guys a running head start. Scripts that me and Daniel use personally, that we've used it on our ads itself. So done for you resources. You can hit the ground running with dominating the online presence without the guesswork. High converting ad offers. We'll share our best high converting ad offers that we personally use and grow our lists and generate sales like clockwork so you can replicate our success and enjoy consistent cash. Then we're going to automate lead nurturing. We'll plug you into our TikTok ads ATM, automating 95% of the heavy lifting so you can focus on scaling your business while the system nurtures and converts your leads into lucrative sales. Cha-ching! That's going to be our software that we recommend. Top performing email sequences. Get our top performing email sequences that have been proven to nurture and close sales on autopilot so you can plug, play, and profit without wasting time on trial and error. Then you're going to get our ongoing support, personal feedback, and advice through our ongoing support chat. Well, it's actually going to be not a support chat. It's going to be a Facebook group. So
we set up a dedicated Facebook group for people who attend this masterclass. So me and Nate will be in there and support you. Make sure you launch your ad properly. We're going to review your video, your setup process, and give you some advice. And not only that, for people who pick up this TikTok ads masterclass, now we are running beta price. You guys also going to get all these bonuses. Nate.
Yeah, so bonus number 1 is access to our live masterclass on retargeting ads. We'll be doing another masterclass here in August. And probably the start of October. Learn additional strategies to keep your ads engaging and converting your audience. I'm learning those as well now. So what I'm learning, I'm going to teach you guys exactly the same. High converting TikTok videos and ad scripts done for you. Instantly attract and convert leads with minimum ad. Crazy bonus number 3. We're going to give you our faceless content vault. Ready to use faceless video content quickly and easily to create engaging content that works without even your face. Crazy bonus number 4. 30 days of TikTok, Instagram, carousel ads, templates, consistently post engaging content without spending hours creating it. So that's literally because TikTok just started new carousel ads. So I'm going to start running a carousel ad this week and see how it works. They're supposed to work even better than videos. So top performing email swipe. Nurture and close sales on autopilot with a proven templates. So we're going to give you our email swipes that we use ourselves. Crazy bonus number 6 is the Daniel's CapCut editing course. Edit your videos professionally and quickly to make them more engaging and effective. So that's literally a step-by-step walkthrough of how to use CapCut. And then their crazy bonus number 7, our TikTok ads masterclass replay and future updates, revisiting the training anytime and stay updated with the latest strategies. That'll also be inside of our Facebook group.
Boom. That's all you're going to get to ensure you launch your TikTok ads and make it profitable for your business. You can do this with any business, with any niche. And here, if you are ready to go straight to the gold mine, we have 10 spots only before the price is increased, because we do plan to release this as a course in coming days. But right now, we want to collect testimonials. So we offer some spots for beta testers, so you guys can have the beta price. And Nate, tell us a little bit about your experience. Since you are an organic marketing expert, now you are doing ads. What's the difference? While I drop the link.
The difference is I can get targeted leads. I can build an email list with targeted followers and targeted people who actually are interested in my offer. But also, It's new eyeballs on our offer. It's not the same old marketers you see all over Facebook trying to promote and upsell them to a new offer. And this is bringing in hot targeted leads. It's building an email list of people who want to buy, but this is also, we can handpick them. These ads we're running are only to Canada and USA. That's it. Canada and USA. We're running tier 1 country ads, which if you're to do that on Facebook or YouTube, you're spending over $5 per lead. We're spending less than $1.50 per lead. So I don't know about y'all, but I'll spend that all day long to get hot targeted audiences inside, especially tier 1 countries. It's actually been quite shocking, the results we've had with TikTok ads, but we're mastering them and we're getting them up and running perfectly. Like I said, I just ran that ad last night and it's already bringing in sales. I don't know about y'all, but I'll run that ad all day long if this keeps bringing me in sales.
Oh, that is crazy, because I remember when we hire agencies, they charge you like $5,000, couple $1,000 retainer on top. Then you have to spend the ads cost, and there's no guarantee you're gonna see results. So I'm super happy that we are able to do this in-house. I mean, with our own business.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And
Yeah.
the craziest thing is, with these TikTok ads, you don't need to be an expert with TikTok. I'm not an expert with TikTok. I'll be the first one to admit it. I'm not an expert when it comes to TikTok ads. We just found a strategy that actually freaking works. And it works with multiple products. It doesn't matter what the heck you guys are promoting.
Yeah.
You have the content, the video with the hook and the message. People are going to click on that link below. You're going to start building a hot targeted email list.
So if you guys want to get a hold of this live TikTok ads masterclass, join me and Nate, hold you by the hands to make sure you launch your first profitable TikTok ad. Then you guys can go to the link, pick it up. The price will be increased as soon as the 10 spots filled.